To begin, place a mark on the wall approximately 2 inches above head height. Using a 10mm masonry drill, drill your first hole through the brick. Scribe a line from the top hole down to find the position of the second hole. Place the bracket with the top hole over the hole you have drilled and mark a line in the slot for the second hole. Insert ramset style wall plugs. Using a coach bolt, screw into the top hole first, making sure it is tight. Followed by the second coach bolt, making sure the bracket is secure. Next, fit the brace to the bracket, making sure that with the set screws, the one farthest from the bracket is facing downwards. Tighten finger tight only. Now, with the smaller screw, fix the tubular arm, inserting a washer between the arm and the bracket. Tighten finger tight. Using a longer bolt, fix the catch to the brace, making sure that the black plastic is at the back. Place the long bolt through the catch, followed by a nylon spacer through the larger hole of the tubular arm, and tighten finger tight. Next, fix the bar to the tubular arm. Using a tape measure, start from the coach bolt and measure 2.32 metres across, marking a dot for your next hole. Scribe a line down to find the position of the next hole. Using the other tubular arm, place the line tension lock onto the arm. Using the smaller bolt, fix the tubular arm to the bracket, inserting the washer in between. Fix the bar to the other end of the tubular arm. Using a level, find the right height, marking a line once you have it level. Drill your holes, insert wall plugs and fix coach screws as you did on the other bracket. Then raise the clothesline up. Fix the other coach bolt, making sure it is secure. Put the brace with the long bolt, the washer, nylon spacer, and nut and tighten finger tight. Place the catch over the brace with the long nut, bolt, nylon spacer, through the larger hole of the tubular arm and tighten finger tight. Raise the arm up until it clicks into place. Tighten all nuts, not too tight, enough to keep the clothesline moving freely. Count 6 holes in, and with the PVC line, Place the line through the 2 holes, bringing them along to the other side of the arm and place straight through, making sure these holes are in alignment with the holes on the other arm. Bring the PVC line back through the next hole on either side, pulling down the lines in the middle all the way until it is tight. Keep doing this until you come to the end holes. Now with the cord tardy, making sure that the larger hole is facing the tubular arm, place it over the PVC line, bring the line up over the tubular arm, tying up in a couple of knots. Make sure it's tight and place the excess line through the cord tardy. Then cut off the remaining line. With the other end, place the PVC line through the last hole, making sure the line tension lock is over that hole. Bring the cord up and through the hole in top of the line tension lock. Push the lever back down. And to tighten the line, start from the very back line, working your way through to the front. Lift the lever on the line tension lock, pull the line through and lower the lever. Using the bobble, slide that onto the line, tie a basic knot, and cut off remaining line. With the plastic caps, place the larger one on the top of the tubular arm. The smaller one on the end of the brace. Open up your line, make sure it hooks into place. To lower, lift up and release